In this video, I'll show you to create your very own holiday card in Canva. So all you need to do is go ahead and log into Canva. Right here, I just kind of search up holiday photo card in the template, and then a lot of options pop up. Another size, if you really want to know, I'm doing 7 by 5 inches. 7 here, 5 inches here. So when it gets printed out, that's the size of the card. If you know that your card, your card is a little bit smaller, so I would just do like a 6 by 4. That's a normal photo card. But for here, I'm just going to do a standard 7 by 5 and you can get this printed directly from Canva, or you can go ahead and get it printed at your local Staples or any like copy and print places. They will be able to do it for you, have it cut up, and you're good to go. So from the left here, there's a bunch of templates. This is the most simple. It just has a background, like this is your photo here that you would add, and then a couple words. But you can go above and add a little different templates here. This one has a bunch of ornaments and kids, which is really cute and on theme. And then you have something more in the lines of very simple card. And this is good for, let's say, like a business, or if you want to be more technical, like this is just for generic, you just want to show happy holiday. You can also repurpose this as a good image, just to text your friends, send an email, if you don't want to waste any paper or anything. So the best part of this is that there are a lot of options ready. All you need to do is just play around and see what works best. So I have some favorites here. I really like these. These are like very simple. And if you see here, there are actually like a front and back version. And if you get this kind of printed, I think it's really cute, almost like a postcard. I'm just gonna go with the one of the more simpler ones. This one is really cute. It's a little ornament, family, and then you can just say, um, love your family here. Add some notes here. To do that, all you need to do is click on the text, add a subheading, and then just type, your family name. So let's say your name is Digital Family. You would just have that written and drag that down. And if this doesn't work for you, remember you can always change the font. Just go up top, click on the font styles, and select one that works. So if you know that you want cursive, you can just try it like up here. They suggest try calligraphy. Uh, Correctly, a digital family. That looks okay, but now everything is kind of off because this is not centered. So I'm going to move this guy up a little bit. And then move this just a tad. So now I have room for digital family. And that is pretty much done. What I would do to make sure I have a front and back is create an additional page from this one. So what I do is hover to the top. It says duplicate page. And now I have this ready. So this would be my back. So I can leave it blank and delete everything here. Or I can just kind of repurpose this and then just put a bow right there, and then maybe in like a body of text, wishing you a wonderful holiday in 2022. Very simple message, but you get the point. You can also add more family photos. And to do that, you can just directly drag your photo in like this and then just change the size. Or you can search up grid. It's a good example. This gives you different options of collages. Another one is frame, and then you'll see there's like different frame types, which is pretty cool. If you want your family photo to be an upside down triangle or like a donut, that's something you can do. I think this is pretty interesting. And then, you can upload your photo directly if you have any. But since I don't have any at this moment, I'm just going to upload a random photo there and then just call that my inspiration for now. And then once I have this ready, I can save this as PDF or print the invitations myself. When you click on this, Canva can help you print this, and you'll see that there is a mock-up. So this is the front, and this is the page 2, front and back. and then the type of paper, the matte finish. So 50, this they call us invitations, but 50 of these would be about like 35 bucks plus, like if you want envelopes, it's there, and then you can have it picked up at a local place or have it shipped to you. I think this is pretty cool, pretty easy. You can just make a free Canva account, use a lot of free templates. I know like anything with a crown here, like this one is not free, but there's multiple other options. Show you here, like there's multiple options that are free, and you can customize it to your own aesthetic, like just have fun. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and end this here today. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thank you.